keep seeing questions about the proper way to fold the convertible top on a First Gen Camaro Firebird, so I'm gonna show you a video. If your Camaro, I'll show you what happens if you don't fold it correctly. You end up getting pinches and it'll make a cut in your convertible top, which is what happened to me here before I learned the proper way to do it. So now I'm gonna show you the proper way to fold the top. First, unlatch it, of course. All right, so when you're folding it, you gotta lift it up, and you got loose material here between the hinges, so you gotta pull it backwards as you're folding it down. This allows the top to fold down lower than it normally would, and it also takes the material out of the pinch points. You gotta do it on both sides, and then your top sits way lower, and it doesn't ruin the top. And it's just as easy as that. There was actually a bulletin that came with convertibles that's kind of hard to find, but I'll post a picture of the bulletin also. And that's how you fold the top on a First Gen Camaro Firebird. Thanks for watching.